I talk to people daily about their health benefits and hear stories about how shocked they are when they learn how much extra they have to pay beyond their premiums. With open enrollment right behind us, many of you have changed your health insurance plans, and I thought it would be an excellent opportunity to talk about the truth about how much you actually have to pay under your health insurance plan. And if you stick around and watch till the end, I'll briefly mention the health insurance alternative that people like you, who find themselves generally healthy, are switching to left and right. My name is Grace Gosnell with the Health Benefits Network, where we give you the scoop on the latest ideas and innovations about healthcare and benefits that can make your life better. So let's jump on in and start with the deductible. This is the amount of money you owe for covered healthcare services before your health insurance plan begins to pay. Under many family health insurance policies, coverage begins for each individual member as soon as his or her individual deductible has been met. Once the much higher family deductible is met, coverage is provided for everyone in the family, even if their individual deductibles are not met. Now, don't be under the impression that just because you met your deductible, everything is fully covered from that point on. That usually isn't the case. One big shock for people is that if you get medical care from an out-of-network provider, those costs aren't usually credited towards your in-network deductible. Next up, we have copays. These are a bit more straightforward. A copay is the amount you pay as your share of the cost for a medical service or item, such as a doctor's visit. Now, not all plans incorporate copays. For example, a high deductible health plan won't have any copays. You would be responsible for meeting your deductible before anything was covered. Now, let's talk coinsurance. After your deductible has been met, this is where coinsurance will kick in. Coinsurance is your share of the cost for a covered healthcare service, usually calculated as a percentage, such as 20 or 30% of the allowed amount for the service. So for example, let's say you've met your deductible and find out you need to have surgery. You'd be responsible for 20% of that cost, and your insurance would pay 80. This would be up to your out-of-pocket max. And on that note, let's define the out-of-pocket max. This is the most you'll have to pay for covered services in a plan year. In 2023, the out-of-pocket max can be as high as $9,100 for an individual and $18,200 for a family. After you spend this amount on deductibles, co-payments, and co-insurance for in-network care and services, your health plan pays 100% of the cost of covered benefits. However, the out-of-pocket limit does not include your monthly premiums. A good way to calculate the total amount you might spend in a year would be to multiply your premiums by 12 months and add the out-of-pocket maximum. That is your worst case scenario. Let me know in the comments how much that number would be for you. Most people are shocked when they realize how high it is. To wrap things up, I'll talk about the health insurance alternative I mentioned at the beginning of this video. It's a concept called medical cost sharing, and it's significantly more straightforward than traditional health insurance. There are no copays, co-insurance, deductibles, and out-of-pocket maximums to juggle. And the best part is that people can save 30 to 50% of the cost they're spending each month in premiums by switching to this innovative alternative. I'll include a link in the description below so you can find out more about it, and you can schedule a call with me to see if this might be a better fit for you and your family. On the Health Benefits Network, we have a lot of videos pointing out many of the problems with the state of our healthcare system and new and innovative solutions that can benefit you. Be sure to check out those videos and let us know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like us to touch on in the future. To make sure you enjoy more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. And don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends.